Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day and I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to be sketching a carton of milk. The reason why I chose this one is because I found the visuals on this really cute. The story behind this quick sketch goes like almost a month back, I was sitting on my dining table looking out for ideas to quick sketch something. Of course, you can sketch anything, any still life object you see, but I wanted to sketch something unique, something different, something cute, something nice that I haven't sketched before. At the same time, I was also on a call with one of my friend who was in Switzerland that time, and I got this picture from that friend of mine, and I was like, that's a nice picture to sketch. And then I got tied up with work, so I didn't really get a chance to sketch this. But today I was going through my gallery looking out for something, and then I came across this. So that's the story behind why have I chosen a milk carton box to sketch out of everything else that I could have chosen. And as you can see, I haven't used much materials for this sketch. It's just any random black ballpoint pen that you find and a marker. So that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.